All right, guys, 2017 GMC Sierra all-terrain 5.3 liter V8. He brought it back and we did round two. He brought his own Cook's headers, then high flow cats, full system basically. There and there. Then it wires into a single right there. And then connects into the flex pipe and then connects to the original exhaust there. And then what we put on it is a Flow FX by FLOWMASTer, dual out the back. Added a Y pipe behind it and ran it out on one side. That's what he wanted. Into dual tips, angle cut right there. Let us know what you guys think in the comments of the sound. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Here's the part number on the headers. Long tubes and cat Y pipe. Box 1 and box 2. Same part number. All right, guys, they're Cook's headers. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for them. And thank God they're made in the good old USA. That's why they fit perfectly. Much better. Listen to this beast. Wow. There's sound decibels. Again. Man, it's 120. Again? Wow, that toe. Oh my God. What do you guys think of that toe? That is crazy. That is beautiful. Go ahead and back it out. Like it. Sounds so mean, man. Wow. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Yes, sir. Hope you guys like it as much as I like working on it. We enjoyed it. There's the idle on it. Nice idle too. Beautiful. Enjoy, guys.